Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. And to be honest, it's not the eye comfort mode itself. This device unfortunately do not have this option, but I will show you how to change slightly, the color temperature of the screen to make it, let's say, more friendly to look at. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the phone section and the display and gestures. Let's tap, and as you can see on the fourth position we've got the color temperature, and basically the eye comfort mode is based on changing the temperature of the colors of the screen. So usually you've got very cold bluish colors applied, but after entering the eye comfort mode they simply change into the yellowish tones, and thanks to this it is much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, for example. So right here, as I said, we do not have the eye comfort mode or night mode, but we've got the color temperature. So right now we've got the switcher right in the middle, so we are not in the yellowish tones or cold tones, but by going to the right we can make it a little bit colder, so they are more bluish. I'm not really sure if it is visible on the camera, but trust me, I can see the changes. And by going to the left we can make it much cooler, warmer, so your device will add to that kind of yellowish tones to the colors, and thanks to this it will be a little bit easier for you to read at night and so on and so on. So the warmer colors which you will be able to set here will simply play as the very slight eye comfort mode. So actually this is it. This is how to change the let's say color temperature and pretend that it is the eye comfort mode in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.